Salt melts at 800 degrees. Candle wax melts in your hand. Copper conducts electricity. Salt doesn't, until you dissolve it, and then it does. All of that comes from one thing: how the particles are held together. In an ionic solid, every ion is pulled by every opposite ion around it, right through the lattice. Breaking that apart takes enormous energy, so ionic solids have very high melting points. They're hard, but hit them and they shatter, knock the layers out of line, and suddenly like charges face each other and push apart. And as a solid they don't conduct, because the ions are locked in place. Melt them or dissolve them, and the ions can finally move. Now they conduct. Covalent molecules are different. The bonds inside each molecule are strong, but the forces between one molecule and the next are weak. When wax melts, you are not breaking any covalent bonds, you are just separating whole molecules from each other. That takes very little energy, which is why melting points are low, and there are no charged particles free to move, so these substances don't conduct. And metals conduct as a solid, because the delocalized electrons are already free to move. They bend rather than shatter, because the layers slide, and the electron C holds on regardless. That combination, conducts, bends, strong, is why we make wires and pans and bridges out of metal. So the pattern is always the same. Look at how the particles are held, and the properties follow. Quick check. A substance conducts electricity as a solid, and it bends without breaking. Which type of bonding does it have?